to bubble sort technique. In a bubble sorting technique, each element of an array is compared with all the adjacent elements present in the array. Comparison takes place at every iteration, and depending on the condition of the truth of the condition, swapping also takes place. That means swapping of values can take place, while all the elements can take place at every iteration. Okay, may take place at every iteration. So the process will continue until the entire element is sorted or arranged in either ascending order or in descending order. So sorting here means arrangement of data items, data values, either in ascending order or in descending order. So with special reference to sorting, we have the technique that is called bubble sort, which is in your syllabus. So let us discuss this bubble sort with an example. We have an array 5, 8, 3, 9, 6. In this case, the number of pass or number of iteration will always be equal to array length minus 1. So here what we do is, if the length of the array is 5, 5 minus 1 will be 4. That means the number of pass or number of iterations will be 4. So in the first iteration or first pass, what happens here is, the first element is compared. The first element is compared with the second element. 0 index element is compared with the index 1 element. And here we are going to do ascending order. So please remember, if you are doing ascending order, we will check greater than or equal to. And if it is a descending order, we will check less than or equal to. So is 5, that is in index 0 it is 5, index 1 it is 8. Is 5 greater than or equal to 8? It is not. That's the status that tells us about whether it is greater or not. The condition is true or not. It is not, so the array will remain as it is. There will be no change in the array. Then comes the next one, that is 8 versus 3. Index 1 versus index 2. So index 1, whatever the element is there in index 1 will get compared to, that is index 2 element. So is 8 greater than or equal to 3? Yes, it is. The moment the condition is true, the swapping will take place. So look at here, the swapping takes place. 8 goes into 2 space and 3 goes into the 1 space. That means now the array element will be 5, 3, 8, 9, 6. Now the next comparison will be between index 2 element with index 3 element. So in index 2 element, what happens? It is 8, and index 3 it is 9. Is 8 greater than or equal to 9? It is not. So the array remains same. Then what happens after this? That is, the next one will be index 3 element versus index 4 element. In index 3 element it is 9, and index 4 it is 6. Is 9 greater than or equal to 6? Yes. Since the condition is true, swapping takes place. 6 goes into 3 space, 9 goes into the 4 place. That means the new arrangement of the array will be at the end of first pass 5, 3, 8, 6, 9. Now this array will be the base for the next subsequent, the next one, that is the next pass or the next iteration. Now look at here. Again, there is a comparison between 0 element versus 1 at the next pass. At every pass, it starts right from the beginning, because we are holding the the highest element. The highest element will move towards the right hand side or towards the bottom, as the name suggests, bubble. That means, when you throw a stone in the water, the still water, what happens? Stone having a higher density moves down, heavier item, so it moves down, and the bubbles which are lighter comes up or pops up. This is what exactly the concept is here. So here we have 5 versus 3, index 0 versus index 1. Yes, it is true, so swapping takes place. 3 goes into 5 space and 5 goes into 3 space. Now the arrangement is 3, 5, 8, 6, 9. This is the array. Then, now in this case, then we have the next one, that is 5 one index versus two index element. Is 5 greater than or equal to 8? It is not. So what happens? It remains as it is. So the array remains as it is without any change. Then comes, so here what happens is, so since it is here, therefore what happens, the array remains as it is, that is 3, 5, 8, 6 and 9. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have already completed 1 and 2. Now it is 2 versus 3. Is 8 greater than or equal to 6? Yes. At this stage what happens? Swapping takes place. So swapping takes place, what happens? The 8 goes into 6th place, 6 goes into 8th place. So now the array is 3, 5, 6, okay, 8 and 9. What do you notice at this stage is, at the end of second pass itself, the array is sorted. Even if it is sorted, the comparison will continue in the subsequent condition. That means because we have 4 what we call pass or 4 iterations. So 2 is over, another 2 is left. So let's move on to the next one. That is the third one. So in the third pass, it is going to follow this particular element. Okay, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. So here we have 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again from here it will start. Now we have got two elements. A heavier one we have already got. Now we have the two elements over here. So in this case what happens? 3 versus 5 will be compared. It is not, because 3 is not greater than 5, so the array remains the same as it is. Then move on to the next one, that is 5 versus 6. After that there will be no more comparison. So as it seems, the iteration keeps on decreasing by 1. So 5 versus 6, it is not, so the array remains the same. So at the end of third pass, the array is 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. And this is the base array for the next vertical pass. Now what happens, we have got, at this stage, we have got first thing, second highest, third highest we have already got. Now what is left is only this one, the comparison. So it will get compared 3 versus 5. So 3 versus 5, and so what happens is 3 greater than or equal to 5, it is not, so the array remains the same. Therefore, eventually at the end of fourth pass, the array is 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So this is what exactly is the concept that we have, the theoretical concept of bubble sort. Okay, let's move on to a program. Let's understand bubble sort using a program. Write a program to accept 10 integers in an array called A. Arrange all the elements of A in ascending order using bubble sort technique. Print the original array as well as the sorted array. That means we have to print both the arrays, the original array as well as the sorted array. Look at the program here. Import space java.util.start class bubble. Public starting void main scanner s equals to new scanner system.in int a equals to new int 10. First we declare the array, then value entry. So here what happens, what we do is we enter the values. System.out will enter 10 integers in a. For int I equals 0, I will enter I plus plus. ai equals to sc dot next. Then after that what we have to do is we have to print the original array. So here I missed out, so I have just pointed on an arrow over here indicating this one. Printing of original array. For int I equals 0, I less than a dot length, or even 10 you can write I plus plus system order print ai plus comma, so that it is going to print this way with elements and comma. Okay, and then after that print ln. Print ln when we write, what happens, it moves the cursor to the next line so that it gives space, you have enough space for the sorted array to be printed. Then we move on to the next part. Here, the bubble sort. This is important. Bubble sort ascending order. So take a temporary variable. We have done this in class 9 about swapping using a third variable, and that is the concept that we are going to follow over here. For int I equals to 0, I less than a dot length minus 1. This is a dot length minus 1. Remember, this is what happens. Number of iteration is equals to array length minus 1. That's what we have taken over here. I'm going to show you the loop of this particular part to help you all understand bubble sort loop part, that is the iteration part, more clearly. Then int j equals 0, j less than a dot length minus I minus 1. Please remember this part, minus I minus 1 and then j plus plus. If aj is greater than or equals to aj plus 1, So what we are doing is, in the array itself, with the adjacent elements we are comparing. That's why it is written over the aj greater than equals to aj plus 1. Then temp equal to aj equal to aj plus 1, aj plus 1 equals to temp. That's a swapping takes place. So this is the ascending order concept over here. In order to arrange the array in descending order, what we will do is, we will simply write less than or equal to. If you write aj less than equal to aj plus 1, the entire array will be sorted in descending order. So if you have an ascending order, make sure that you write over here greater than equals to. Okay. Now here, after having done that, then you have a printing of an array, the same as you have printed of the original array. The only thing is you just write over the printing of sorted array. I equal to 0 less than a dot length or 10 system of print ai. That's it. And so here what happens, you print it. So what I'm trying to show you now, the concept that we had seen over here for the I loop. In case of I loop, what happens, and in case of J loop, see how it runs. So we know that a dot length is equals to 5. We have seen in this particular example. A dot length is 5. So if I will be how many times it is going to run. I is equals to, if you know the loop, I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length minus 1. Please remember, it is a dot length minus 1. So a dot length is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, less than 4 is 3. That means it should be 0, 1, 2 and 3. That means number of iterations will be 5 minus 1, that is 4 in case the array length is 5. Now how J is taken here? Remember what is J? J is written over there in the sorted part. J is less than equals to a dot length less than, not equal to, less than a dot length minus I minus 1. So let us see here. Minus I, that is a dot length is 5 minus I. This is 0 minus 1. That is equals to how much? It is 4. That means J will run less than 4 times. So this time the comparison will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is what the comparison that we are having over here. The element is 5. You have seen that the element is 5 in the first pass, in the first iteration. Look at the first iteration. How many times we are having comparisons? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times the comparisons. Then comes the second pass. So similarly over here also the same thing that we are going to do. Okay. So in this case also, here also the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the comparison will be there. Then in the next case, when I equals to 1, it will be this way. 5 minus I minus 1. That's equal to 3. That means less than 3, so 0, 1 and 2 comparison will be done. That means 0 versus 1, 1 versus 2, 2 versus 3 and 3 versus 4. Here it is 0 versus 1, 1 versus 2, 2 versus 3 will be the comparison. That means 3 comparison will be done. In this case it is 5 minus 2 minus 1, that's equals to 2. So 0, 1. That means 0 versus 1, 1 versus 2. So 2 comparisons will be completed here. In this case, in the fourth pass, it is 5 minus 3 minus 1. That's equals to 1. That means 0. So in this case, the number of comparisons will be 1. That is 0 versus 1. So this is how the concept of loop is, calculated, what we call is considered. This is the concept of loop that we are using out over here. This is the one. So this program was based on it was based on integer. Okay, this was for the integer. If you have an integer array, but if suppose if you have a string array, so in that case, how you are going to solve it? Look at here. This is the string array. Write a program to arrange the following city names in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means ascending order. Alright? So here what happens is, we have the array names are there, city names are there, Dhanbad, Asansol, Kolkata, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Raurkela, Bilaspur, Ranchi and Patna. So we are going to arrange them in ascending order. So this is what we write. A is equal to, we have included, this is the thing, initialization within the program, within the array that we have to do. Then here what happens is print the original array. As you have seen, the original array printing and the sorted array printing is just the same. For int equal to 0, less than a dot length, I plus plus system order print ai, and and after that what you have to write is one system out of println so that it will move to the next line. So there will be a gap between the original array and the sorted array. Then you have a bubble sort here. It was in integer with a number. Here we have to search, that we have to sort the alphabets, okay, according to alphabetical order. So in this case, what happens? We take string temp is equal to null. You can write NULL, or you can also write string temp is equal to within double, that is double quote without any space. Mind you, there should not be any space in between. For int I equal to 0, less than a dot length minus 1. For int j equal to 0, k less than a dot length minus I minus 1. Same concept. The only difference over here is this part. Okay, in what do you call, in this case we are checking for the greater than as well as equal to. So in such cases we have to make use of compare to function. Please remember, this is a string function that you should know about it, how to compare with this. I'm going to tell you about this one in the next class, about the previous one also, that is the equals ignore case, and the compare to function I'm going to teach you in the next class. So aij dot compare to aj, that is j plus 1, greater than equal to 0, the temp is equal to aj equal to aj plus 1, aj plus 1 is equal to temp. This is the concept, the same concept we have. The only difference here is this part. It was earlier it used to be in the integer, it is aj greater than equals to aj plus 1. Here it will be aj dot compared to aj plus 1 greater than equals to 0 and then close bracket. Look at here, compared to the function, so please remember it has its own parenthesis. Then the next one is printing of the sorted array. Same thing as we had done for the original array. This is how the printing is done. So please make sure that in case you have any difficulties, don't hesitate to ask, and then keep yourself safe. Watch the video again and again. Look at the thing, complete your assignments and get ready. Okay, when we meet, we'll discuss in detail other things in case you have any doubt. But then before that, please make sure that if you have any doubts, do clarify. And I am happy that some of you are asking questions, and it's a good thing that on your part. Okay, so be safe. God bless all of you.